If you start dishing out content which is the same on an everyday basis, the viewer definitely is not going to watch television. He is definitely going to look at other avenues. Television today has evolved. It has migrated to a different phase altogether. From those days of Saas Bahu, from Tearjerker, dramas, what we are currently seeing is realistic shows. Especially the challenger brands, I would say, are working hard towards bringing in realistic shows to the audience in both the formats, both in reality television and in fiction formats. What, if you have to take a rundown on what is it that we are seeing as far as the television content today is concerned, is if you take specifically a critical channel, a GEC channel, Shashank was saying, we are predominantly skewed or focused towards women. But I would say that if a channel has to grow, it has to grow beyond, it has to look at other audiences as well. You can get men as well into a GEC channel. If you have to grow the numbers, you have to work towards getting newer audiences into the channel. That's point number one. As far as our reality shows are concerned, you would have seen that over the last couple of years, it has moved away from the phase of just song and dance. Reality shows are, hardcore reality elements involved in those formats. Specifically coming to reality shows, I would say that if you look at what happened 3 years back or 3 or 4 years back, the overall time consumed for films or events or reality shows was around 23%, let's say for the top 3 Hindi channels. A couple of years back, there were just 7 reality shows in the top 3 Hindi channels, but today there are almost 30 to 40. In regional channels, there were just 3 reality shows. Today, there are around 21 reality shows. So, of course, when a channel thinks of getting into a strategy which we call, in our words, a threshold strategy or entry-level strategy, reality shows play a critical role in bringing audience in. And later on, the stickiness happens through fiction, which is always flanked along with these reality shows.